In this video we will describe a new open source add-on that improves reviewing process. By default, when the editor is ready with his content, he will mark it as ready for review. Then, the reviewer gives feedback and declines if something is wrong. After that, the editor will have to fix all of the problems and send again for review. There can be few iterations of those steps. Once the reviewer is happy with the final version, he can approve the content. From now on, the content can be published. When approval definition forces adding comment on decline, then reviewer has to provide feedback in the dialog box. It's enough for general comments. However, if there are several problems scattered around the text, then one box may not be enough. We would like to present an alternative way of reviewing content. Let's do a quick demo. Say hello to Eddie, who is a reviewer and is about to review a page.
Hi, it's Eddie. I'm a senior reviewer in Alloy Company. Let me show you how I work with content. Let me enable the review mode. The title seems incomplete. I wonder if we have the rights to this image. I don't understand the first paragraph at all. This one is pretty important. Okay, review is done.
Hello, I'm Abby. I'm the editor for the Alloy Company. I have just received feedback from Eddie. Let's see what he thinks, shall we? Oh no, 3 comments. Let's find out what they are all about. Right, I really missed that. This time I checked that Eddie. It's a free image. Let me resolve this task. Eddie should really have read more carefully. I did explain this in details later on. Let me resolve this task.
As we mentioned at the beginning, this add-on does not interfere with approval steps. However, it may be used to generate comments based on the submitted pins. Let's say Eddie is reviewing Abby's changes on start page. The approval definition forces Eddie to provide a message to explain why the content was either approved or declined. Whenever he finds a problem, he creates a new pin with a task. If there are open comments and Eddie tries to approve the content, he will get a warning and possibility to review his comments again. If he decides to decline the content, the decline message will be generated automatically from all his active pins. Now let's move to the second part of the add-on, which is the ability to review draft content by external users, who may not have the access to edit mode. Let's create a draft and change main body property. Additionally, let's add an unpublished block to our content area. As you can see, the block cannot be previewed until it's published. Now, let's add a new component that will let us generate preview links. By clicking the Create Link button, the editor will generate a new URL that can be used to preview the page version exactly as the editor. Every link is token-based to increase the security. Additionally, all links have expiration date and can be manually revoked at any time. The editor can create as many links as needed. And every link can be sent directly to an external reviewer. Now, let's preview the generated link as an anonymous user. As you can see, all unpublished data is visible. The add-on is implemented in React and has no dependency on Dojo, which makes it possible to use outside of edit mode. Thanks to that, it was possible to bring both advanced reviews and external reviewers features together. Editable external reviews are turned off by default. In order to turn it on, you can use our configuration API. After that, when adding new external link, the editor can decide if it's just a preview or something more. Let's send such editable link to John, a reviewer from an external company. After a while, John receives an email with that editable link. To access the page, he will have to log in using either his personal account or a shared external user account. It's worth to mention that those accounts do not grant access to edit mode.
Let me type my name. I can see some issues here. The title needs to be changed. And the first paragraph has to be extended. Okay, I'm done.